I'm here today to unbox my Chebe butter from Chebeauty. So I wanted to do it with y'all. I just took it and opened it up a little bit. I didn't look inside yet, so it'll be the first time me seeing it and you seeing it as well. But first I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss nothing. I hope everybody's doing good today. Today is my day off, so I'm here to do another video. Yes, so let's get into it. Okay. All right. They package it good. Okay, this is 8 ounces. See? Let's see what it looks like on the inside. This one looks more like a hair grease. And it smells minty. Yeah, this one is a different consistency than the Omez. The Omez is more, I don't know, it doesn't feel like this. This feels, the Omez feels a little drier. This feels oilier for some reason. I don't know. I'm going to just put it on one of my 2-strand twists just to see. Because my hair is actually braided, so I can't put it all over my head. So I'm just going to put it on. I'm going to take out one of my 2-strand twists. I'm just going to put a little bit on just to see what it do. Now, see the difference between this Chebe butter and the other Chebe butter from Omez? Omez say you can put it on your scalp. This one says to avoid your scalp. I'm not sure why, but I'm going to make sure that I avoid my scalp. It's only supposed to go on your hair. Okay. I don't know. It feels... I would have to like wait till all my hair is out to really... I don't know if you can see that. It's just oily. Like, it's not like the Omez one. The Omez one feels like it's going into your hair and it doesn't leave like a oily residue. Let's see what happens when I do my 2-strand twist. Oh no. I think I might like the Omez better, y'all. We're gonna see. I'm gonna give it a fair chance though. But I like the way the Omez is just melting your hair like butter. And then your hair is moisturized for days. I don't know. I mean, it's okay. It gives it a nice shine. And it's making it stand up higher than the rest of my 2-strand twists. I'll tell you that much. All right, well. See, it's just oily. I don't know. The Omez is not so oily. This is oily. I'm not sure why. Okay, well, it got olive oil in it. It has shea butter in it. It has cocoa butter in it. Sarah Bellina. I don't know what that is. I have to look that up. And Kapuka chew butter. Gotta look that up. It says you only have to put it in for 3 to 4 days. 3 to 5 days. I guess you shouldn't have to because this is really kind of oily. So, I don't know. Now I'm going to feel like I have to do the rest of my front with this because this one is sticking up higher than the rest of them, which is kind of good because all my other ones are like shrinking and this one isn't shrinking yet. Usually by now it would have curled down, but it's not. My hair goes in a spiral. And it's just sitting straight up. I don't know what that's about. But that one should be sitting straight up too. Let's see what happens if I put it on this one that's right next to it and see what happens to that. We're just going to do a little experiment, y'all. A little experiment. I feel like it's gonna just leave my hair really moisturized, if anything. See, I wish my hair was loose so I could do my whole head just to see. Okay, this one's sticking straight up too. Look. All right. Well, let's do the third one then. Let's see what that's about. Let me open this back up. Let's look at it one more time, y'all. Don't it look like grease? The Omez has like a little minty smell too, but not like this one is. I don't know, it's just a little bit different. That's what made me curious enough to try to find like, you know, the difference between the two to see which one will be best for me. Knowing me, I'll mess around and use both of them. Because I'm really anxious to order the Omez again and do like a side-by-side comparison on my hair. When I take all the braids out of my hair, I think that I might do that and do like one side with the Omez and one. Look, they all sticking straight up, the ones that I just did, the new ones. It wasn't doing that before. Okay. Y'all know what I'm about to do, right? Let me do another one. Oh, and then look, my little ends are growing in, the little pieces that got broken off when I got my hair braided. So this stuff that I've been using is working. I'm going to do a review on that too. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is yet until I actually do the video. Because like I told y'all before, in my last video, it's a lot of products I've been using. Different oils, and I've been combining some of my own oils together just to see, you know, what works for me best. And I think I found the perfect combination because now my edges are growing back. Look, my edges are growing in. Everything, so. Yeah, I mean, look, this one's sticking up too. They usually don't stick up. I'm so confused right now. Why it's sticking? I mean, I'm glad it's sticking up because it's making it give me some kind of length, but it's sticking straight up. It wasn't doing that before. My hair would like lay down. Let me see. Let me take this one out. This one is really in there. Two-strand. I really two-strand twist this one. I need my comb. I didn't expect to be sitting here doing all these different two-strand twists. Can't get this one. Okay, there we go. Okay. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I got the TV going in the next room. I'm looking at the Grammys because I didn't know they came on last night until they was off. And by then I just went to sleep. So I'm looking at them now. Apparently my husband must have been recording it and I didn't know. Because now that's on and I was looking at it. But I felt compelled to come in here because I've been dying to open up this box. I had my box for about 2 days now. But I wanted to open it up for y'all for the first time. I didn't want to open it up ahead of time. Let me see if this one's staying straight up too. And my hair is growing since I had these braids in too. Okay, that one is not sticking up as much. Oh, it is. Okay, let me find out. If it ain't doing nothing else, it's giving me less shrinkage, so that's good. I'll be so happy when my hair grows longer. And I can do more stuff. That's when my videos are going to get very interesting. Because I have all kind of styles in my head that I want to do. I just don't have enough hair to do them. But I will soon. Let me see. I just did that one. Okay. It's giving me some length. Like making it look like I got, you know, my hair in little balls. Little curly balls. There's so much oil though. That's the only problem. That's the only thing I'm having an issue with. Look how oily my fingers are. Well, I can't say I ain't got no oil in my hair. I can tell you that. But if you ain't supposed to put it on your scalp, then I just don't understand. Like, how are you supposed to not get it on your scalp, but there's so much oil in it? Eventually, this is going to touch your scalp. I don't even have to dip my finger back in because I got so much on my finger. This was not the plan for this video. I was just supposed to unbox, show y'all, do it on one little twist, just to see. But that thing got my thing stinking straight up. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. It's just standing straight up. That one too, look. Okay. We might be on to something here, y'all. Okay. Did I do this one? I think I did that one. I did this one. Yeah, it's sticking straight up, so I had to have done it. Okay, I think that's all of them. I'm gonna get this little piece. See, my little hairs are growing in right here, enough for me to do a 2-strand twist on it. So I'm excited about that, because there was hardly any hair there when I first got my hair braided. And my hair only been braided a week. It was like some peach fuzz there. That was about it. Because they really yanked all my hair out. My edges, my temple. Just gave me a whole bald spot when I got them extensions. That's why I said no more. Letting nobody braid my hair no more. Except for my daughter. She can do these on me. I'm going to keep getting these until my hair grows to a good length. That way I'm not touching it every day. Giving it a chance to grow. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and do all of them, because the ones in the back is braided. That's a lot of black, y'all. Look how much my hair grew. I still can't believe my hair is finally growing. See? It's growing. Let me see. I'll probably braid this one. You know what I would love to see with this? I would love to see, like once my hair gets longer, I would love to do a twist out with this or a braid out with this and see how your hair turn out. I know it would be a lot of shine in there because this stuff is very moisturizing and oily. So I can only imagine what that would look like. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna do this one. No. I like the fact that it's not like curling all the way down and then it's giving me a little bit of length. But look how much black is there now compared to how my hair looked before my other videos. I'm just so happy. I still can't believe my hair is growing so much. It's growing fast, that's good. It should go a little faster, but it's going fast. I can't even complain. Because I could be still at the stage I was in the beginning. But I'm not, so I'm happy. I think that's all of them now. Yep. But you see how greasy my hands are? Look at that. That is just weird to me. It's just like so much grease. I'm gonna have to wash that. Still, look, that is just crazy to me. All right, well, that was my unboxing of the Chebeauty butter. And I didn't get any oils, thank God. I didn't get any oils to go with it because I almost ordered it like I did for the Omez, but I said, let me just see what the Chebe butter was about because I actually like the cacao oil and the hair growth oil for Omez. So I'm starting to think that I really like the Omez better, but I'm gonna order it one more time so I can compare the two. But for me, just judging from this, I'm gonna say that I like the Omez better because the Omez just feels like it melts into my hair and it doesn't leave a greasy residue like this. This reminded me of like my hands should not be this greasy. When I use the Omez, my hands don't be this greasy, but yet my hair is moisturized for days. So with that being said, I think that I'm gonna have to go with Omez for now until I order the Omez again and then do the side-by-side comparison. But what I do like about this is that, let me see if it didn't shrink yet. They still sticking up. My hair wasn't doing this before, but that's because, you know, I don't know why it's making them stick up, but that's good. That makes me think it won't be a lot of shrinkage. So I'm gonna go a couple more days and see how long it takes for these to feel dry or to start looking like they need something else done to them. And then I'll be able to tell from there as well. So I'm just gonna go from there and I'll let y'all guys know on my next video. I'll do an update. And then once I get the Omez one in, because I'm about to order that now. Once I get that in, then I'm gonna do the side-by-side. That's gonna be another video where I'm doing the Omez versus the Chebeauty. And then we'll go from there. All right, so I'm about to wrap this video up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss nothing. Bye.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been without you for